Rock and roll, living a dream, super excited. Do you know what that means? It means rock and roll, living a dream, super excited. Do you know what that means? Rock and roll, living a dream, super excited. Right now, doing my laundry. Beyond super excited. You know what it means? Beyond super excited. Because I'm able to do it. I'm able to move my hands, I'm able to move my feet, I'm able to see, I'm able to stand up. I'm almost at free will. Free will, living in a great country. No matter how bad it appears, you're a free person. I can speak my words. So what does that mean? There's a love within me. It's a strong love. It's like in the morning, it's like in the evening, it's at nighttime, about ready to do the exercise. I'm going to services this morning to meet some people. I go to work, meet some people. In the evening, I go to exercise, maybe a little garden. I got a big garden. I mean, I have a lot of work, but that's the way it is. I'm super excited because there's a love inside my body. What does that mean? Let's be real clear of why I'm super excited, why I'm rock and roll, why I'm living the dream. Everything's based on love. When you love your body beyond, and the body takes you wherever you have to go. What does that look like? God's garden, God's body, God's food, God's law. It's that simple. We are designed to be in that state at all times. We are designed, as long as you follow the protocol of love. What does that mean? What does that mean? It means every day I feel I'm of service, not only to myself, but to others. My goal, no disease in this world. Zero. That's my goal. I was given that calling. I was given that calling. So every day I figure out ways I can create that. Even on just a minuscule level. You're of service to one, you're of service to the world. So, what does that mean? It means I'm a representation of my body. My body is perfected. Perfection. It never, ever makes a mistake. That is really hard to understand. That is beyond hard to understand. That is like so far above, it's beyond. Because people think the body makes mistakes. It never makes mistakes. How is it to my benefit? What can I learn from this experience? Every time you have pain, and people have pain all the time. I see it all the time. People in the 40s, 50s, they're starting to develop arthritis. They're starting to develop back pain, neck pain, you know. And then when you're young, when you're sick. You have colds, you have fever. And I'm saying, you should say thank you. Because the body loves you so much that it's trying to get out. That which will harm you is trying to push out to your benefit. It's love. It's love of who you are. And the body wants you to be healthy and super exciting all the time. And it's given a protocol. It's definitely given a protocol of truth and lie. Every disease is based on that. I don't care what disease it is. I don't care how you feel. I don't care what emotional, what anger you have. When you treat the body wrong, it will let you know instantly. And it'll send you mixed signals, you know. And then you get off the beaten path. It'll send you signals. Signals to protocol. And this is really hard to understand. It is beyond. It is. I have a hard time with it. It's truth, lie. There's no gray area here. Truth, lie. It means that in order for the body to accept any food, 6 qualifications. If it doesn't have these 6 qualifications, the body has to deal with it. And in the best way it can, whatever way it can, it has to get rid of that which will harm it. glucose, fuel, protein for getting the body together, vitamins and minerals for letting the body do everything to do its job, fatty acids and water in a complete package. I'm not really a scientist, but from my understanding, if the body food intake does not meet these requirements, then it's acid waste. Acid waste is what causes all diseases in this country, all diseases in the world. Acid waste, the body has to deal with acid waste continuously. We're not designed to eat acid waste. Only fruit and veggies meet this protocol. That's the way it is, which is one of the reasons of my rock and roll living dream super excited. I eat mostly bananas. For whatever reason, bananas works for me. 10 to 15 daily. 10 to 15 daily. And I'm able to rock and roll and live the dream because I have God's love, God's food, God's garden, God's body. Simple as that. My goal is to share that word with whoever I can. God's food, God's law, God's garden, God's body. Never a mistake. Anyway, I got to get going now. I got laundry to do. Bye.